Welcome back. Now let us set up NFS client. System 1 was used to set up NFS server. We will use system 2 to set up NFS client and access the exported shares from system 1. Install the required packages first. Check the exported shares, show mode 1C and then the destination server name or the host name of the destination server. So we can see two shares are available, public and group. So we need to create local mount points where we'll be mounting the exported shares. Public will be mounted under public and group under the group. Mount -T NFS is the file system and the -O any options and then the destination server path and then the local path where you want to mount. I'm missing something. Not given the options. This share has been mounted. You can verify it with find mnt command. Public share has been mounted under NFS client public. Try to create any file and then verify. So root has been squashed to NFS nobody. We switch to LDAP user Asif and try to write something under the public. Asif is also able to write. Let's see, verify the permissions. Asif is already also squashed to NFS nobody. Now we mount the group share. The mount is successful. Let's verify it. This group belongs to the group debs, so we need to create a group debs on the client machine. And we add some users under this group. So we will add LDAP user Asif to be a part of the group devs. Just remember that we have two LDAP users created on the IPA server that we created in the first lecture, Asif and Atif. Asif is not a local user, just to verify this. Now switch to user Asif and try to write something under the group folder. It has written. Now let's verify the permissions. The group is devs and the owner is Asif for this file Asif. Asif is able to write because he was a part of the group devs. Now let's switch to Atif and see whether he is able to write or not. Atif is not a part of group devs. He says permission is denied. Members outside this group are not able to write. Atif is able to write in the public but not in the group folder. Atif has also been squashed to NFS nobody. Now let's try to mount the shares so that they are accessible after the reboot. Vim is not installed, so let's install the Vim. This will make things easier for us. It will highlight or colorized the text. Just verify that there's nothing wrong with the text that we have copied or we have just written. Unmount the previously mounted shares under NFS client and mount -A. We'll read the FS tab and mount it again. It says there is something wrong. Let's see ETCFS tab. There might be some spelling mistakes. Looks like NFS server. Yeah, we have given an additional S. NFS server. This is how it should be. Try to mount it again. This time it's successful. It's mounted. The public share is mounted. Now let's mount the group share. Copy this line and paste this line again. The group will be mounted under NFS client/group. Okay, this is also mounted. Let's verify the newly mounted shares again. This is how we set up NFS server so that it is accessible for the public and for the group collaborations. Thank you for watching this lecture.